Hello, Grandpa here. Came out to my garden at the end of the season to show you how it went this year. I say it went terrible. My tomato plants, my pepper plants, they all grew up, but I didn't get any big fruit off of them. Only thing they got a big fruit off of was my kagutsa. You'll see them later. But this is where they were hanging and they were growing. And you can see they're growing all over my plants in the back there. I had carrots in these two buckets, and I harvest those carrots. They were good. My tomatoes, they're not growing at all good. Plants grew up high, but what do I get? That's the size of the tomato that I get. On this plant over here, I had some tomato plants, but most of the tomatoes, when they got big, I got this on the bottom of the tomato. Some type of fungus eating them. I don't know if it was a new fertilizer that I was using that caused them not to give me any fruit, big fruit the way it's supposed to be. But all I got was peppers and the carrots and small tomatoes. Eggplant over here, we have some inside, but they didn't grow as they said they would grow. Supposed to have been Black Beauty eggplant. They didn't grow that big. Fruit size, 8 inches. These things grew about 4 or 5 inches. You know, it was the weather we had the extreme heat over here in the northeast this year, a couple 100-day temperatures and everything. And you can see my kagutsa plant is all fading away, except for what's grown a long distance. But it was a bad harvest this year. I don't know, gotta try again. See what I did wrong. Then this year, I never had a groundhog on my property, but a groundhog kept coming around every now and then and attacking this one tomato plant that I have here. I'd come out here and I'd find it knocked over on the ground. And I caught him on film on my security camera, so I knew it was a groundhog. We never had a groundhog before. We got rabbits coming through, but the rabbits didn't do nothing. The raccoons didn't do nothing. But that one groundhog guy, he got that plant. These are the kagutsas that I harvested from my garden. This is just 3. I had another 3 that we've already eaten, so that's 6. We had 6 big kagutsas. This is some of my harvest. You can see when I talked about the size, they didn't grow as big as I expected. More or less my peppers, my tomatoes, and my eggplant. They just like miniatures instead of being a full big green pepper, big eggplant, and baseball sized tomatoes. These are golf ball sized tomatoes. I don't know what happened.